The YouTube Partner Program is making a lot of young anonymous millionaires, and they are doing it without showing their faces. How to start a faceless YouTube channel and start making thousands of dollars every month. Welcome to the world of faceless YouTubing, a realm where identities are concealed, yet creativity and content reign supreme. In this digital era, it's entirely possible to generate a substantial income from your passion, all while maintaining your privacy. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? So if you've been dreaming about turning your hobby into a profitable venture, you're in the right place. Stay tuned for some simple steps to get started. First off, let's clarify what a faceless YouTube channel is. A faceless YouTube channel is one where the creator remains anonymous, not showing their face or revealing their identity. This style of channel can cover many genres, from animation and gaming to informational and tutorial videos. The allure of a faceless channel lies in its anonymity. It allows creators to share content without the worry of public scrutiny. Plus, it provides an opportunity to focus on the content itself, rather than the personality behind it. However, running a faceless channel isn't without its challenges. It can be tough to build a personal connection with your audience when you're behind the scenes. And without a face to the name, it can be harder to establish trust and loyalty. Despite these challenges, many creators find success with faceless channels. It's all about finding what works best for you and your content. Now that you know what a faceless YouTube channel is, let's move on to how you can start one. Choosing your niche is the first step in creating your faceless YouTube channel. It's like picking the right pair of shoes. It has to be comfortable and suitable for the journey ahead. A niche isn't just a topic, it's a focused, targeted area you're going to become an expert in. Think about it. There's a vast universe of content. To stand out, you need to specialize. Let's look at some popular niches for faceless channels. Animation channels, for instance, leverage the power of storytelling without needing a physical presence. They're engaging, creative, and capable of covering a wide range of themes. Or consider channels dedicated to health and wellness. Channels focusing on health, fitness, and wellness topics can also achieve higher RPM. Content may include workout routines, healthy recipes, mindfulness practices, and wellness tips. Another example is the how-to channels. These channels provide tutorials on anything from cooking to software troubleshooting. Remember, the best niche is one that aligns with your interests and skills. Once you've chosen your niche, you're ready for the next step. The next step is to create compelling content for your audience. Creating content that resonates with your audience, without showing your face, might sound like a daunting task. But, with a dash of creativity and a pinch of innovation, you can make it happen. Let's look at a few ways to make your content engaging and dynamic. First off, voiceovers are a fantastic way to bring your content to life. With just your voice, you can weave together stories, share ideas, and provide commentary that keeps your audience glued to their screens. Remember, your voice is a powerful tool that can evoke emotions and create a connection with your audience, so use it wisely. Next, we have animations. Animations can turn complex ideas into simple, easy-to-understand visuals. They're versatile and can be used in a variety of niches, from educational content to entertainment. You can either create your own animations or use ready-made templates that are available online. Stock footage is another great resource to add depth to your content. There's a plethora of websites out there that offer high-quality stock footage for free or at a minimal cost. Combining these clips with your voiceover can create a visually appealing experience for your viewers. But here's the catch. Regardless of the approach you choose, there are two things that you must never compromise on: consistency and quality. Consistency is key in building an audience. Regularly posting content gives your viewers something to look forward to and helps you build a loyal audience over time. Quality, on the other hand, is what sets you apart from the rest. High-quality content not only attracts viewers but also keeps them coming back for more. So invest time in creating well-researched, well-thought-out content that provides value to your audience. In the world of faceless YouTube channels, your content is your identity. It's what defines you and sets you apart. So, make it count. With your content ready, it's time to move on to the next step. Optimizing your channel is key to attracting and retaining viewers. Now that you've got your content ready, it's time to make sure your channel is as appealing and easy to find as possible. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, comes into play. SEO is all about making sure your channel and videos show up when people search for content related to what you're offering. You need to think about keywords. These are the words or phrases people are likely to type into the search bar when looking for videos like yours. Try to include these keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. But remember, it's crucial to keep it relevant and natural. Overstuffing keywords can actually harm your visibility. Creating engaging thumbnails is another essential aspect of channel optimization. Thumbnails are the first thing people see when they come across your videos. They're like the cover of a book. If they're not enticing, people might not even click on your video. So take the time to design thumbnails that are visually appealing and accurately represent what your video is about. Now let's talk about video descriptions. They should be informative and compelling. A good description provides a clear idea of what the video is about, includes relevant keywords, and also includes a call to action. This could be something as simple as asking viewers to like, comment, or subscribe. Lastly, maintaining a consistent posting schedule is vital. Your viewers should know when they can expect new content from you. Consistency helps to build a loyal audience who will be excited for your next upload. If you're creating content in batches, consider using the schedule feature to ensure your videos go live at the same time each week. Keep in mind, optimization is not a one-time thing. It's an ongoing process. Monitor your analytics, see what's working and what's not, and adjust your strategy accordingly. With your channel optimized, you're ready to start promoting it. Remember, the journey to a successful YouTube channel requires patience and persistence. But with the right strategies, you're well on your way to reaching your goals. Promotion is the key to growing your audience and increasing your earnings. At the heart of every successful channel is a robust promotion strategy. It's all about getting your content in front of as many eyes as possible, and there are several ways to do this. Let's start with collaborations. Teaming up with other YouTubers, especially those in your niche, can expose your channel to a whole new audience. They say two heads are better than one, and in the world of YouTube, that couldn't be more accurate. Now let's talk about social media marketing. You're probably already familiar with Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and maybe even TikTok. These platforms are not just for sharing memes and food pics. They can also be powerful tools for promoting your YouTube channel. Share links to your videos, create engaging posts, and use relevant hashtags to draw in potential viewers. Remember, the more engaging your social media posts are, the more likely they are to be shared, and the wider your content will spread. But what if you're willing to invest some money into promotion? That's where paid advertising comes in. With platforms like Google AdWords, you can create targeted ads that show up in search results, on websites, and even before other YouTube videos. It's like having a billboard in the digital world. However, don't forget about the most crucial aspect of promotion: engaging with your audience. Respond to comments on your videos, interact with your followers on social media, and show them that there's a real person behind the content. This builds a sense of community and loyalty around your channel, making viewers more likely to stick around and recommend your content to others. Remember, promotion isn't a one-size-fits-all game. It requires a mix of strategies, some experimentation, and a lot of patience. But with persistence and creativity, you can build a following that not only watches your videos, but also engages with them and shares them with others. With your promotion strategies in place, you're ready to start earning money. Now, let's talk about making money from your Faceless YouTube channel. First, ad revenue. This is the cornerstone of any YouTube channel's income. Once your channel hits 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program. This allows you to earn money from ads that play before, during, or after your videos. The amount you earn varies based on factors like your audience's location and viewing habits. Next up, sponsored content. This is when a company pays you to feature their product or service in your video. The potential earnings here can be substantial, but remember, it's crucial to maintain your authenticity and only promote products you genuinely believe in. Then, merchandise sales. This can be a great way to supplement your income, especially if you have a loyal fan base. You can sell anything from t-shirts and mugs to digital products like ebooks or exclusive video content. The key is to offer something that your audience will find valuable. Finally, don't forget about other potential revenue streams like affiliate marketing or crowdfunding. There are many ways to monetize a YouTube channel, and the best strategy often involves a combination of several methods. Remember, the potential earnings can be significant. Some successful faceless YouTube channels earn up to $10,000 per month. However, your income will depend on factors like your niche, audience size, and how effectively you monetize. And that's how you can start a faceless YouTube channel and make up to $10,000 per month.